Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the second part of lesson 2 unit 1 structure of chromosome, cell cycle and cell division. Last week we have learned what are chromosomes, what is cell division, what is cell cycle, structure of DNA, all these things we have learned, and this week we are going to learn the cell division. Two types of cell divisions are there, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, it takes place only in the somatic division, somatic cells, and it is diploid. 2n number will be there. The chromosome numbers will be maintained same in the daughter cells. 2 daughter cells will be produced. Meiosis cell divisions takes place in reproductive cells. It is haploid in number. 4 daughter cells will be produced and the number of sex cells is half. If it is 2n, only n number of chromosomes will be transported to the daughter cells. Mitosis. Mitosis is a cell division in which one parent cell divides into 2 identical daughter cells, and most important aspect of mitosis is same normal chromosome number is maintained at each cell division. The phases of mitosis are 2. One is karyokinesis, the next one is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis in the sense division of nucleus. Last week itself we have learned. Cytokinesis is followed by the karyokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm. The karyokinesis of mitosis occurs in 4 phases. First one is prophase. Look at the picture. You can see the violet color cylindrical shape that is called as centrioles. That will be duplicated during the interphase period, that will be duplicated like a chromosomes. Centrioles start moving apart and reach opposite poles. This 4 number is there, no, that will be moving to the poles, that is to the edges. And chromosomes, usually in the nucleus, if you are going to see, the chromosomes will be like a chromatin fibers, coiled thread-like structures will be seen. But during the prophase stage, what will happen? It will become distinct. And the next one is chromosomes are already duplicated as paired chromatids and sister chromatids. In the second picture you can see that egg-shaped structures will be seen in between that round shaped structure, that is called as centromere, which helps to attach the sister chromatids. The spindle fibers, that is from the centriole daughters, it will be forming arch like structures or seen, that is called as centrioles. And nuclear membrane and nucleolus starts to disappear. In the first picture you can able to see the nuclear membrane and the nucleolus, but in the second, that is late prophase, the nucleolus is fully disappeared and nuclear membrane also start to disappear. And duplicated chromosomes moves towards the equator. What is equator? The middle of the nucleus is called as the equator. Metaphase and anaphase. See the picture. Here each chromosomes are there, no? The red color line is called as spindle fibers. Each chromosome attaches to the spindle fibers by its centromere. What is centromere? The chromosome's middle part is round shape, that is called as centromere, in which the sister chromatids are attached. And all the chromosomes are lined up in the plane at equator. All are lying in the same line in the equator region. What is the equator? That is the middle part. Then coming to the next anaphase. The centromere attaching the 2 chromatids splits. The spindle fibers are formed that will pull the chromosomes to the poles. 2 sister chromatids separate and are drawn apart towards opposite poles. A furrow, a deep cleft will be formed in the cell membrane at the middle in animal cell. Look at the picture, early anaphase. Here you can see the chromosome and the centromeres are pulled by the spindle fibers on the poles, and in the second late anaphase they are moving to the poles. Telophase and cytokinesis. The next stage is telophase. Here 2 sets of daughter chromosomes reach opposite poles. Spindle fibers start to disappear and nuclear membrane and nucleolus starts to reappear, and here the condensed chromatids or that will be formed as a chromatin fibers. The cleavage will cleavage furrow starts deepening in the animal cell. This telophase is followed by the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is nothing but after the cell division, during the cell division, after the nuclear division, the cytoplasm also starts to divide. So that is called as cytokinesis. Meiosis. Meiosis is the cell division in which cells or gametes are produced, where it takes place in the testes and ovaries in humans to produce sperms in the male and ova in the female. In plants, it takes place in anther in the male part of the flower and ovule in the female part of the flower and female gametophyte. The significant aspect of meiosis is that number of sex cells in the chromosome is half, that is 2n will be given. Once it is transferred to the daughter, it will be n in number. Significance of meiosis: chromosome number is half in gametes, so that on fertilization the normal number 2n is restored. That is 1n from the mother and another 1n chromosome from the father will join and form the 2n number of chromosome. Provides mixing up of genes in two ways. Significance of meiosis: the maternal means mother chromosome and paternal means father chromosome get mixed up during the first reduction division as they separate from the homologous chromosomes. Homologous means same. Thus, crossing over of chromatids material between two homologous pair, which results in genetic recombination. How a child is getting a parent, that is the mother and the father character, because of this crossing over only. Chiasma is the X-shaped structure of form due to crossing over between the non-sister chromatids of paired homologous chromosomes. Significance of mitosis: for growth or increase in the body size due to formation of new cells in the tissues. Repair of damaged and wounded tissues by renewal of lost cells. Replacement of old and dead cells, such as replacement of blood cells and the epidermal cells of skin. Asexual reproduction, in which the unicellular organisms such as amoeba or the yeast cell divide into two. Maintain same chromosomal number in daughter cells. How the mitochondria and chloroplast during the cell division, how they are dividing. Mitochondria and chloroplast have own DNA. They are producing their own type of DNA, and the ribosomes which are present in these two, mitochondria and DNA, are producing protein of these two organelles. Both divide on their own by simple fission and are partition between two daughter cells produced by mitosis division only. Mitochondrial division is also guided by the genes in the nucleus and through the cytoplasmic ribosomes. How old are some of our body cells? Cells of islands, nerve cells of the cerebral cortex and most muscle cells last a lifetime. Once dead, they are not be replaced. Skin cells replaced every 2 weeks, and red blood cells for 120 days, and bone cells are replaced 10 years once. Epithelial cells lining the gut last for 5 days, and other gut cells for 15 years. Liver cells are replaced every 300 to 500 days. WBC 2 weeks. In the WBC, so many types are there. In that, neutrophil live only for few hours. Platelets last for only 3 to 5 days. The major difference between the mitosis and meiosis. Where it occurs? In somatic cells. The mitosis occurs only in the somatic cells. For what? For growth and replacement purpose. When it occurs? Throughout the life. Number of chromosomes daughter cells produced are 2 daughter cells are produced. Number of chromosomes passed to each daughter cells, or full set of chromosomes will be passed down to the daughter cells, that is 2n number. Number of nuclear division is only 1, and identity of chromosome and gene in daughter cell is identical. Coming to the meiosis, where it occurs only in the reproductive cell. For what? For gamete production. When it occurs only in the reproductively active stage. How many daughter cells are produced? 4 daughter cells are produced. Number of chromosomes passed is only half the number. If it is 2n, only n number of chromosomes will be passed. Number of nuclear division is 2. Identity of chromosomes and gene in daughter cells are randomly assorted between the gametes produced. This is result in genetic variation. Important topics in this lesson. Chromosomes are formed a very long fine chromatin fiber which are made up of 40% of DNA and 60% of histone. What are nucleosome? The turning will be containing 8 histone proteins, that is called as nucleosome in the DNA strands. DNA strand is composed of repeating nucleotides. This nucleotide is made up of phosphate, pentose sugar and a nitrogenous base. Again, this nitrogenous base is containing guanine G, thymine T, adenine A and cytosine C. During replication, the DNA double helix open and forms a Y-shaped structure, and it will be separated into two, and these two strands will be forming a original separating strands. Genes are specific sequence of nucleotides which regulate the body features. Because of these specific nucleotide genes only, each person is having a different and identical characters or features will be formed. New cells need to be produced for growth, replacement, repair and reproduction. Two types of cell divisions are mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis involves duplication of chromosome and equal distribution to the daughter cells. Chromosomal number will be maintained same in the daughter cells. Mitosis occurs in two phases. One is karyokinesis and another one is cytokinesis. The karyokinesis occurs in 4 steps. One is prophase, second stage metaphase, third one is anaphase and fourth one is telophase. Cytokinesis in animal cells continued by the telophase is deepening of a furrow that splits the original cell into two with one nucleus in each. In plant cell, a cell plate appearing at the center of the middle grows up to the periphery. And during meiosis, the chromosomal number will be reduced, resulting in 6 cells, so that on their fusion fertilization the normal 2n number is restored. Mitosis is followed by an interphase which consists of G1, first growth phase, synthesis phase, S phase, and last phase is second growth phase, G2 phase. Meiosis involves 2 division. In the first division, the chromosome arranged in homologous pairs 2n, and then they separate to reduce the number to half in the resulting cell. Meiosis also involves crossing over between chromatids of homologous pair that form the basics of variations. These are all the important things in this lesson. Hope you have understand this lesson. If you have any doubts, call me or send a message through the WhatsApp. Thank you.